Meet.
Didn't you want to take a video?
He do.
He does?
This is Roxy T-Rex, and these are the people opening. The doctor, Kai Schneutzer, gonna make the surgery, and the other doctor, Ellie, is gonna help in the operation. I didn't want to say nurse. the airline person is gonna help in this operation. Dang.
Please don't put it on Facebook.
Of course.
You will break it, you will break it. We're gonna lose it.
We're gonna lose him.
Deswegen mache ich es
We're gonna lose
doch.
it. Okay, and now the other side.
It's a little bit small.
Notice how
Yeah,
huge.
we will make the other side bigger. Ugh, it's coming out.
Oh, Roxy is coming out. That is not good. Shit.
You need to involve Kata in the video.
We have our spectators enjoying Starbucks coffee.
Ja, das ist unten. It's coming.
Roxy's coming. This is real life
we
TV.
we will enlarge this hole.
Holy crap. The doctor's hands are on the way, but that's okay.
That's enough, doctor. Doctor is enough.
Holy crap.
I'm gonna blow it.
It's dying. Oh no! What happened to Roxy? Oh no! Oh.
Let's do it together. Disgusting.
Throw up for me. Oh no! Roxy!
It's your turn.
No, I can't do this.
Kata.
Holy
Yeah,
crap!
It's not my job.
Hey. It's just as if you want to kiss it. Hey, we really want to eat this.
You can also please try.
We want the other start.
Okay.
No.
The cameraman is gonna blow.
Now we're gonna see our most professional cameraman blow an egg.
Oh, du bist schlecht.
Okay.
I think Roxy is
So
in
we're
there.
gonna have a very delicious Roxy breakfast omelette.
Can we break the egg? Do it now. I think so.
Okay.
Holy
Good job, guys. Can you make music with it?
Good.
Okay, perfect.
Operation successful.
Yeah.
Next part.